One of the hardest things for beginners to understand is this difference. Acting versus trying to act. They look similar from the outside, but they feel very different on screen. Trying usually comes from effort. Acting comes from focus. When beginners are unsure, they try harder. They push energy. They push emotion. They push intention. They want the scene to work so badly that they start forcing it. That's trying. Trying often looks busy. There's a lot happening, but nothing is landing. Acting is quieter. It is grounded. It's specific. Actors who are acting are not concerned with how it looks. They're concerned with what they're doing. Trying pulls attention inward. Acting keeps attention outward. Beginners often ask, how do I stop trying? The answer isn't to relax. The answer is to redirect effort. Instead of trying to perform, focus on the task. What am I trying to get from the other person? What problem am I dealing with right now? What happens if I don't get what I want? Those questions move effort into action. Trying is usually emotional. Acting is behavioral. Trying to feel sad, trying to feel angry, trying to feel important. Those attempts usually create tension. Acting focuses on circumstance. You don't try to feel something in real life. You respond to what's happening. That's what actors replicate. Another sign of trying is self-monitoring. Watching yourself while you're performing, wondering if it's working. That splits focus. Actors commit. They don't check in mid-scene. They trust the work they've prepared. Trying also shows up when actors chase approval. They want the director to like them. They want the audience to respond. They want validation. That pulls them out of the moment. Acting requires commitment without reassurance. You do the work whether anyone reacts or not. This is why training matters. Training gives you something solid to rely on. When you know what you're doing, trying becomes unnecessary. Effort shifts into clarity. If you feel like you're trying too hard, don't stop working. Change what you're working on. Move from emotion to action. Move from performance to purpose. That's the difference between acting and trying.